January 3 of 2013, 784,000 na.
April po, ay babalik na naman na kami sa stage. Bakit? Kasi kami din ang pinakaunang profit sharer ng Mindanao!
After just 1 year of doing the business, a Millionaires Club Circle. Well, after 1 month po, I became a global ambassador. So after 6 months, nilabas po namin yung bagong Hyundai Santa Fe 2013 edition.
GD 24/7 Nutragamis is here to rock the Philippines and the MLM industry here in our country.
Ang ganda-ganda ng product kasi nakapaglinis ako ng bahay namin na hindi ako hiningal, hindi ako napagod.
Now, if we believe that we have the best products in the Philippines, let's put it to a test. Ito yung test. Because we firmly believe AIM Global would be the home of the winning cardio score.
Kailangan automatic mo siyang tinitignan para yung subconscious mo matuto at uutusan yung katawan mo bumangon ng maaga.
Hindi kailangan maging matalino. Hindi kailangan maraming kakilala. Hindi kailangan sikat. Ang kailangan mo may malaking sukat. Yun ang mapagay sa AIM Global.
Mr. David Pomeranz.